What's up guys, Overdov here. In this video we're going to be completing the builder quest on base testnet. Now I wanted to do the full airdrop farming video for the base, but unfortunately there are not too many activities that you can do right now. The most of the dApps, they're still not implemented on the chain. You can mint a couple NFTs and that's pretty much it. So I will return to full airdrop video later, but now we can do a couple of very important activities. So this quest has been implemented by the base, and basically what we need to do, we need to deploy a smart contract on chain. This is the list of supported wallets. As you can see, MetaMask wallet, Connect, and a bunch of other wallets. Also, you can use the native Coinbase wallet, and actually regardless whether or not you're going to be using a Coinbase wallet for this particular activity, I would recommend getting it because it has a built-in faucet and you can claim daily 0.1 ETH on Girly and 0.1 ETH on Girly base without any other restrictions pretty much, so that's pretty cool. And if you're not using the Coinbase wallet, you can just transfer it to your MetaMask or your other wallet. As usual, all links gonna be in description. If you don't have Girly and base Girly network set, that's the first step that you need to do. Head over to chain list, type in Girly, and here you can add Girly and then base Girly to your MetaMask. I already have those added. Then we need to bridge the assets because we'll need to pay gas in order to be able to mint NFT. On the bridge we connect the wallet. And then we bridge some ETH from Girly to base Girly. Again, in order to get Girly ETH, either use faucets or buy that on testnet bridge. All links in description. And now we deposit. And you can switch to base Girly testnet and just wait for the funds to arrive. For me it was pretty fast. In 2 minutes I got my ETH. Now we can start the quest. So here we need to connect wallet. Then you click start the quest and you actually have to agree to the terms of service. And it says fund your wallet, deploy smart contract, and now we need to deploy and paste the address of the contract here in order to verify it. This is also pretty simple because it doesn't matter what contract you actually deploy, it can be literally any contract, because it won't actually affect whether or not you're gonna be eligible to complete the quest. So what we do, we go to Remix. One important thing here, if you already used Remix previously and you created the workspace, you may be in that workspace, so you need to go to default. And if you haven't used it, this is the default view that you should have. Then we click on contracts, open storage.sol, and then we go here. I would suggest going with 8.19, the latest compiler. And then we click compile. Okay, then after you get this green check mark, it means it's compiled. Then we go to deploy and run. And here we need to select inject provider MetaMask. In my case, it just says inject provider because I have both MetaMask and Coinbase. And if I click here, I actually have to select. You should see your account address here. And then you click deploy. You don't have to change anything else. Click confirm. And you wait when the message with the green check mark will appear here. There we go. Then you need to open your MetaMask. You see contract deployment here. You click on it, click view on a block explorer, and then you can see it says here contract and the address. We need to copy that address, and we're going back to the quest website. We need to put that address and click verify. As you can see, it says nice work. This is a valid smart contract, so we can continue. As I said, doesn't really matter. You can take any template. You don't have to find any other smart contract from the web. Just use this one. Then we click continue. You did it. Mint your NFT. Now we can mint NFT. And when transaction is finished, we're actually done. Now this NFT is obviously on a testnet, but it's a very good activity for the potential airdrop in the future alongside with the bridging. And besides, based on this FAQ here, we may be able to mint it on the mainnet in the future. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.